Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So we're in the town right now and stuff, and hot like 10 fire stick. I think the watch my big confused.
My glasses.
Where? Where's the glasses?
No, I'm not right here.
It's in open our bag. Okay, so I'm not gonna bring you guys completely on the road because you know them people here can't do anything and sun hot, so yeah, because today is the only day that we finally got to go on the road because a lot of rain and stuff. So you guys, I'll check in back with you. Bye.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control on the driver's seat.
Come.
Go on.
You know I come with the energy of my vlog, you know. You know I come with it, so come. Mommy.
So, no problem.
You alright? So we're going to KFC. And RTT. And so. You see, you should have just go there, so but you want to be stubborn. Come on. Boy! Have to press on button. I can't see.
Touch your gas.
Can't see.
That's why I'm out here. Come. Hold on. Come up. Come up. Alright, start at the lock now. Come on now.
Wow, Jesus. You go through it?
Yeah.
Can't be nervous. guys, good morning. I wanted to show you how my niece is sleeping, and look how she sat. Look how she sat in the bed. Like, who sleeps like this? Don't make no sense. I love you, Trish. Hey guys, so I'm heading to church now. It's the fit, and as regular fashion, I'm late, so I have to have my tea with me. Ever late. But I get back to you guys.
Glory be to you, O Lord Most High. Our psalm for responsive reading is Psalm 15.
My big baby, watch her. Last time I said she was so small. Watch her. A big drummer now in the place. Right, Tony? Right, later. So guys, I'm coming to look for my second mommy. But I'm waiting right now. I'll show you guys her in a minute. We're just coming from church. My sweat though. Yeah. So I'm excited because I haven't seen her in so long. So yeah, this is to be my second home. Watch mommy. What happened now? Oh, there's June plum. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. Yeah, but this is to be my second home. And the breadfruit tree. But no breadfruit, but there's Aki over there. So yes guys, I'm waiting on her to come out and such. Yes. Yes.
Hi, Tasha.
Hi, Miss
I couldn't be doing last episode, no problem.
Boy.
Are you
Have your hair color already?
Okay.
Miss That's right there, mommy. My two mommies. So say bye to my vlog, Miss That's. Say bye.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye. Alright. Guys, I'm home from church, I'm home from Miss Das, but hungry. I'm hungry at this point. So I'm about to go get something to eat. And my dog, I'm about to go get something to eat and stuff and change my clothes, take off this because it's not it. I can't come on camera. Probably not, because if I'm gonna continue vlogging, my real hair can't be shown right now. It's not in top tier condition right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna change, get something to eat, and yeah, sanitize and all that stuff there. And I didn't even get to show you guys my new glasses, but I soon show you because it's strong. It's strong, so I'll show you guys that soon. What else? So yeah, that's it. That's it. Soon come. Sorry. To me more excited than Trish at this. Eh? Eh? Okay. What is it? I don't know how much. Alright. Guys, so the water is here. Yeah, Trish excited like some. Well, Trish is young, so we'll be excited more than Trish at this point. So Yeah, so
It's a water,
the
yeah.
water here.
But not be tonight. No, but not be tonight. The water warm.
So there you go. So we have the shallow area over there, and then we have the deep part over here. So excited! Excited! Done. At this point, you know, pool life and all this. But Trish there. Guys, welcome to our pool day. Trish and I are here and we're in the pool, living our best life and enjoying ourselves. The water cool, so I'm afraid and I don't know something, but yeah. And it's lockdown day, so country lockdown, and we still a swim. Over to them. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the other clips. Go ahead Trish, go and show them. Yeah. Swim now. Don't let me up, you know. What a cool. Now. Alright. Come there. So, so guys, we're in the pool right now. Trish living her best life. And we're in the pool now, and it's nice. Out here living our best life. It's getting dark, as you can see, and we're still in the pool. We're enjoying ourselves. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. Gotta check the girls. See on the other side. I don't think I'm gonna come back in this clip. But yeah guys, this is just us trying to enjoy, no movement there, as much as possible, and you know, the convenience. Bye guys. So my nice clean cousin come look for me, but he's taken. Man is about to get married, so no don't it's funny when it's my nice cousin actually. You know, one of my favorite cousins, you know. And try him over there so it feels so. Why? Why though? Ashley can't tell. Ashley cousin. Big girl, huh?
I tell you. Why? So me have to go on before we go, cause.
You had sticky too, because time I run out, I'm reach my June yet.
Want to say hi to my vlog now? Hi. Mommy.
Hi, sure.
So you have to look at me if I hit the toe first. I thought you pretty. You say you're pretty.
Oh.
Are you?